Hello, Chris here, chrisbiggs.com. Ask you, how do you use F.O.R.M to build relationships and poor people so you build your network and business? I can run through now quickly how to use F.O.R.M, or is another word, Lord, and explain to you how you put it into action, okay? So I hope this works now. I'm playing now the slide. And I hope it works. How do you F.O.R.M to build relationships? Because we all want to build relationships, we all want to build a business, and we all want to provide better value for our community, families, and friends, etc. Okay. So first of all, F stands for family. I can see now that's my family now. We're away on holidays in Turkey. So when you add people to a friend, or your friend request, or they friend you, there's no point in going straight to business because you don't know if your product or service suits the other people. Okay, so what you do when you ask some questions like where you from, how big's your family, how many kids you got, and how old they are, how long you've been married, etc. And did you move for a reason? So they're the questions you can ask. So how to put them into conversation. So someone asks me now, hi Chris, how are things, where are you from? First of all, I think, right, they have a look at my profile on Facebook, so you look at theirs. So you avoid a question. And if you're a parent, like myself, you ask questions about the family, have you married? And also, if, for example, in UK, ask them, have you lived in UK all your life? And if they said no, I lived in Scotland, Ireland or abroad, why did you move to the UK? What's the reason? Is it for a better future? A better future for your family? That's when, why. And then occupation, also occupation, ask about their background, okay? Everybody's got a background. And what do you like about what you do, if you got a job or doing online business. How long have you been doing that? Oops, sorry, that's supposed to be doing, not ding. And a lot of people in life have had many jobs, many businesses. And ask them, was that your first choice? Whatever you're doing in life? And how do you get started in your business, if you have one? Ask the questions so you get the pain points of what they're doing, their background, okay? And R for regression. Okay, what do you do for fun or for hobbies? Then you know what they like outside their so-called job, their business, or whatever they're doing. Okay, and if you say, oh, I like playing football, or rugby or golf, do you get a lot? Do you get a lot? Or when was the last time you played it if it's sport? If you say, oh, I haven't played golf for a couple of months because I'm always working, you found a pain point. And also, what's your favourite place to go? Where do you go on last trip? If you like travelling, or have you talked about the family, or have you been away? You could talk about that. You find then, oh, I went to Turkey last year, but I didn't go away this year because we had too much debt, or my job took my time up. And if you go back to the first question about sports, what's your favourite sports team? If they like sport, find out then if you've got something in common, okay? Especially the men, they always like some sport. And then meant for message, okay? By now you've identified some of the personal types and the pain points. And once you know that you can have idea, you can help them in any way. Perhaps say, I couldn't help but notice that you like to do more golf. What if you could have more time and freedom to play the golf, help you relax? Would you like that? They say yes, and if it's a fit, then you can show them the business. Okay? Always ask open-end questions. Why, who, what, where, and how. These are getting to open up. Now, this formula can also be down to Lord, L-O-R-D. The L stands for location, and the D stands for dreams. There's another way you can approach this. It does work. It does take time. won't happen in first three contacts with a person, but a huge tip, share yourself as well. Otherwise, come across an interview. People don't like interviews, believe me, okay? So that helps you to really get to know a person and build some rapport. I get it so many times, and we all get it, about people send you a message and you look at their profile and you know they're in the business opportunity or work from home, and they come away with first three messages of pitching you. It doesn't work that. People join people. If people can trust someone and sense, look, they really want to connect to me, they really want to help me, then they will come and ask questions, okay, about you, what you do. And if it comes from the heart, it comes across really true. A lot of people now don't. Now, that's why I follow this formula as well, with the Lord formula, and it works. It builds up rapport. Imagine the last time you met someone out, a friend, okay? It took time to build a relationship. You were shy first of all, then you started talking, then you started sharing interests, and you become best friends. That's how it works online as well. There's no fast track, okay? Simple, few words. It's about building relationships, okay? So I hope this formula helps you. And if it does, okay, let me know in the comments or connect to me and let me know how it's going for you. It'd be nice to get feedback as well, okay? And I hope this helps you and you build your network up and your friendships, and hope again it helps you in the long run with your business, okay? So till then, I'll stand in, take care.